this video how to fix fail to connect to the game, and the error code you get on the screen is 279 in Roblox. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error code 279 fail to connect to the game in Roblox, then I will show you how to fix this. Open the control panel, click on start menu, then type control panel. You can see here control panel, just click on control panel. You can see here view by, just select and click on category. In this you can see here network and internet, just click on this. As in this you can see here network and sharing center, just click on this. In left section you can see here change adapter setting, just click on this. You can see here Ethernet, just right click on that. Click on properties. In this you can see here internet protocol version 4 TCP IP4. You have to double click on that. You can see here use the following DNS address. Just you have to remove the old DNS and enter 1.1.1.1. After that, come to the alternate DNS server. Here you need to enter 1.0.0.1. After doing this, just click on OK and close this window. Click on start menu and click on the search bar and type CMD. Right click on CMD and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Guys, here you need to type the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can copy paste the command from there. You can see this is the command one. Just select, right click and copy, and you need to paste it here. Just right click on the top of the command prompt window. You can see here edit option. In this you will find paste. Just click on paste. You can see ipconfig space //DNS and hit enter. After that you need to type this second command. Just copy paste from my video description link. Right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. Guys, after completion of this, just close this command prompt window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix fail to connect to the game, and the error code you get on the screen is 279 in Roblox. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.